Let us see what is emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is a concept developed by Daniel Goleman, a journalist and a psychologist. Emotional intelligence is the ability to know one's own emotions and ability to manage, interpret, and also to understand the emotions of others. An emotionally intelligent person is capable of understanding his emotions, controlling his emotions, and also to understand what emotions will be there in others when he exhibits his emotions. And to a certain extent, emotionally intelligent people are capable of helping others in managing their emotions. According to Daniel Goleman, emotional intelligence has 5 skills, or an emotionally intelligent person will have 5 skills. Emotional intelligence is expressed in the form of emotional intelligence quotient or EQ. And nowadays, EQ is more significant than IQ to have a happy life or a successful and peaceful life. So let us see what are the 5 skills. First one, self-awareness, then self-regulation, empathy, motivation and social skill. Let us discuss one by one. Self-awareness. Self-awareness is the ability to understand one's own emotions. How do I feel now? What is my emotion? Whether I am angry, whether I am sad, whether I am fearful, whether I am anxious. That ability is self-awareness. Self-regulation is controlling emotions, managing emotions. I am angry, so I will go beyond limit. So I should control. I should harness my emotion. That is self-regulation. I should not be angry like this. I should not be aggressive like this. I am feeling fear. I should not be fearful like this. I have to control my fear. Similarly, when we are having that self-regulation skill, to a certain extent, we will be capable of helping others to manage their emotion. Third is empathy. Another skill is empathy. Empathy is standing in other person's shoes. That means the ability to be in the place of other person. The ability to understand the feelings and emotions of other person from the point of view of that person. That is empathy. So emotionally intelligent people will be empathetic. They can very easily understand the emotion of others from the point of view of that person. Or empathetic people, they are capable of imagining themselves in the position of other person. That is empathy. Social skill. Social skill is the ability to establish good interpersonal relationship and to maintain good interpersonal relationship, or to be an active participant in the society. Social skill, people having social skill, they will have very good communication skill. Communication involves both verbal communication and non-verbal communication. People will be capable of expressing good body language, expressing their thoughts and feelings through good words, through good tone. That is verbal communication. Non-verbal, good facial expression, gestures and body language. And they are capable of communicating by maintaining good eye contact. And they will be very good listeners. Patiently they will listen to others. All these are sub-skills of social skill. That is communication skill, verbal and non-verbal. Ability to maintain good body language, eye contact. Then active listening and showing interest in others. And another skill is motivation. Motivation, 2 types, extrinsic motivation and intrinsic motivation. When external factors are motivating a person to do something, that is extrinsic motivation. Example, doing overtime work to get a promotion. That employee is extrinsically motivated. Intrinsically motivated people do something for their pleasure. They get satisfaction, for self-satisfaction. So here it is intrinsic motivation. Emotionally intelligent people are generally intrinsically motivated. They are good dreamers, they are ambitious, they set goals according to their capacity, and whenever they attain their goal, they feel happy then slowly they will start setting higher and higher goals, and ultimately they are capable of achieving their goals. They are self-motivators without others motivation or without any external factors motivating them. They are capable of self-motivating. So these are the 5 skills of emotional intelligence. So fortunately, emotional intelligence or EQ can be developed through training or by taking efforts by our own self, or we can take initiative to improve our emotional intelligence. And teachers can also do a lot of things to improve the emotional intelligence of their students by giving them lot of opportunities to face challenges, giving them exposure, giving them opportunity to develop their communication skill, teaching them good body language, and again helping them to find positive even in the midst of negativity, etc. That's all about emotional intelligence.